Hello and good morning. I hope you guys have had a great weekend. This week we will be talking a little bit more about our unit, The Challenge to Make a Difference. Last week we learned about Richard Ray and his lion lights. He made a difference by inventing lion lights that helped out his community and also other communities. We also learned about a PSA, or a public service announcement. We learned that that is a short informational clip that raises awareness about an important issue. This week we will be looking at other ways that you can raise awareness about an important issue, and that is through visuals and a slogan. So visuals are pictures, of course, and a slogan is just a short catchphrase. So let's look at our assignment guide. Distance Learning Part 5 Assignment Guide. It says throughout the week you will be expected to work through a variety of activities related to our unit's theme, the challenge to make a difference. The following information is a detailed list of requirements that you are expected to have completed by this Friday, May 1st. So everything's due on Fridays. Okay, so today, Monday. Open the document titled Monday, 4/27, Communicating with Visuals and a Slogan. Follow the directions. First, open the Quizlet link. So there's just a Quizlet link at the top that helps you review the important terms from the unit. And then you're going to be analyzing 2 PSA posters by answering questions 1 through 3. So just 3 questions today. Okay, on Wednesday, again, you'll practice the terms in the Quizlet. Then you'll open the document titled Wednesday, 4/29, Communicating with Visuals and a Slogan. So we'll be working with visuals and a slogan on both days this week. It says visit both websites that promote the posters by clicking on each poster's link and analyze the 2 PSA websites. Take notes on the chart and then compare it and contrast the websites in a paragraph. Okay, I will show you both of those worksheets. This is the first one. This is today's, Monday. Says communicating with visuals and a slogan. First, spend 5 minutes reviewing the terms for the unit. Click here for the Quizlet link, and then analyze the 2 posters using complete sentences and answer all 3 questions. Okay, so here's your 2 posters that you'll be analyzing. This is poster A and this is poster B. Here are your 3 questions. They have places for answers for both poster A and poster B. And then you have your questions 2 and 3 here. Okay, that is Monday's assignment. Turn that in when you're finished. I will give you some feedback. This is Wednesday's assignment. Click here for the Quizlet link. Evaluate the websites. The websites are right here. So if you click on these links, poster A, poster B, these are the websites that go along with the posters. Okay, so you'll be evaluating those and filling out the chart. What is the purpose? What's the call to action? Where's the slogan? What are some of the images and visuals that they have on the website? What style of text do they use? Is it formal? Is it informal? And then any other important information, okay? Put that in the chart. Then you are writing a paragraph. Okay, the posters are down here just for reference. Writing a paragraph. After analyzing the 2 websites, which campaign do you think is most effective and why? So that is your opinion, but you have to back it up with some of your notes. So it says compare and contrast the websites in a well-written paragraph. Make sure you have a topic sentence, details, and a concluding sentence. It says use some of your notes from the chart above to explain your viewpoint. Revise and edit before submitting. So make sure that you are looking through and checking for grammatical and spelling errors before you turn that in. Okay. Email me if you have any questions. I will send out an invite for a Google Hangout on Wednesday. Have a great week.